How to recover deleted ChatGPT chats. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll show you how to recover deleted ChatGPT chats. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch your browser and go to ChatGPT or chat.openai.com. You can even open chatgpt.com. Press enter and log in or sign up with your credentials. After that, click on your profile picture at top right and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Go to Data Controls and make sure that you toggle the button on for Improve the model for everyone and click on Done button. Once you have done that, you have to simply open a new tab where you need to search OpenAI status website in order to check your system operations and past incidents. After that, you can easily scroll down and look all your past incidents and then system operations. After that, in your browser, click on three dots at top right. Scroll to the bottom and go to settings where you simply need to choose data and privacy or simply privacy and security where you need to scroll down and click on delete browsing data. From this basic section, you need to uncheck the two options that is cookies and other site data and then cached emails and files. And then you need to click on delete data button. After that, you need to return to ChatGPT website and log in again. This will restart your session and you may recover some chats. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.